Hey guys, so I'm recording this on the last day of 2024, and I wanted to do a 2024 recap, not just of this channel, but also all of my channels and how much money I've made, how much they've grown, and as an average guy trying to make income online through Amazon and YouTube, what my year has looked like, and if you're trying to do the same thing, what you might be able to try to achieve as well. I will say from the very beginning, I wish that I had made more this year, but I am hopeful in going into 2025 that next year is going to look even better. So I do want to start this conversation just by talking about this channel, Average Guy Making Money. Even though this channel isn't monetized just yet, it did have quite a bit of growth in 2024, and I want to talk about that. So you can see from the analytics of this channel that it started off really slow. There wasn't a whole lot of growth for quite a bit of the year, but then starting in August, you can see a lot more. And that's simply because that's when I started my 100K in a year challenge. I started posting a short every single day, updating people on my progress, talking about what I made on Amazon and YouTube the previous day. And shorts get way more views than long form videos. Now we can certainly argue about whether or not it's good growth, but the fact is getting some attention is better than getting no attention. And not only that, shorts really help my channel to grow with subscribers as well. I would say more than anything, that's the benefit of posting shorts. Shorts will help you get subscribers. In my opinion, shorts are the fastest way to get subscribers. I would even go so far as to say the fastest and the easiest way to get subscribers. Now, once you get 1,000 subscribers, you really don't need more than that. That's all the subscribers you need in order to get monetized. And beyond that, it's just a vanity metric. But I do still continue to post shorts on this channel just because they're easy to post. I want to update people on my progress with that challenge, but I have considered changing that up and making more long form videos, even regarding that 100K challenge, rather than posting them all as shorts. We'll see about that. Next is my Hope and Sunshine channel. This is my largest channel. It has 20,300 subscribers right now. And in 2024, you can see that it made almost 2 million views and got a revenue of $5,940.39. Now that's all from AdSense and also channel memberships. And that channel really didn't grow much in the last year. You can see it actually kind of shrank a little bit. Since I've been focusing more on my Average Guy Making Money channel and also my Reviewing Literally Everything channel, which we'll get to in a second, you only have so much time in the day. You can't focus on everything. And even though Hope and Sunshine is my biggest channel that actually makes the most AdSense money, and even though I don't want to abandon that channel, I do want to continue focusing on that channel because it's a good message. I've been devoting more of my time and energy to these other channels in this last year. And I think that's really going to start paying off in 2025. My next monetized channel, at least historically, is my wife's channel. She calls it my channel because I do all the editing. I tell her when to post. And even though she's the one on camera, the channel wouldn't exist if not for me. So you can see that in 2024, her channel got 144,000 views and made a total of $874. It's also shrunk in the last year or so. I haven't been pushing her nearly as much to make videos. She graduated from nursing school, so she has less content to make videos about. So even though we make sure to post a video every few months or so, it's still not growing a whole lot at this point. The last channel that I want to talk about in this video before I start talking about Amazon influencers a little bit is Reviewing Literally Everything. This is the channel in which I post all of my product reviews that I make for Amazon, but I want to put them on YouTube too. In 2024, this channel made 749,000 views and it made $1,500. Not bad. Every once in a while on this channel, you can see that a video or two really pops, and that certainly leads to more views and more revenue. But it comes back down, and overall, the channel is growing just very slowly. Finally, I also want to look at Amazon influencers and Amazon associates. It's all grouped together. These are the programs through Amazon in which I post product review videos, both on Amazon's website and also affiliates through YouTube, so that when people click those links, I can get a commission. And this isn't completely finalized because Amazon still has, today, and there's incentives and things, and some of that money won't actually get posted until like a month later. But roughly, here's what I made from Amazon in 2024. About $20,700. I'll take it. That brings my grand total from YouTube and Amazon from 2024 to about $29,000. Now, if you're following my shorts, you know that I'm shooting for $100,000, so this is less than a third of that, but that's also consistent with my average lately. I've been averaging about $90, $97 per day, which is about a third of my goal of $274 per day. And I do have some plans in the new year to grow that, and I think we'll start seeing that number grow faster sooner rather than later. Let me know how you're doing on Amazon and YouTube. Make a plan, work at it. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.